Well, to shed more light on this, we have the pleasure to have this phone with Dr. Rami Samir, the tourism expert. Good afternoon, Dr. Samir. Hello?
Hello, most welcome.
Hello?
Hello, I'm most welcome.
Excuse me, Dr. Hani,
Yes.
Dr. Rami Samir, tourism expert. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes. So, Dr. Samir, what is the importance of that President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi heads the presidency of the Board of Trustees of the Grand Egyptian Museum, and what are the tasks of this board?
For sure, it's very important, and it's very important what's happening nowadays. So many procedures are taken, and these are very important to assure and to maintain the Egyptian tourism that's in need of a lot of people all over the world because of the coronavirus problem and the current situations that are known everywhere. It's very important what's done in Egypt these days. For instance, the procession of the royal mummies many weeks ago. This has led a big shadow upon the Egyptian monuments and the Egyptian heritage and the Egyptian civilization of the whole world. For sure, the whole world knows that. But it's very important as well to understand that we need to assure that these days, in order not to be forgotten, the Egyptian tourism, the Egyptian civilization. And it's very important as well at the same time to maintain all that and all these efforts. So this is one new effort in that step, in that trend. Maintaining the Egyptian tourism and addressing the whole world with Egyptian achievements and Egyptian trials to attract tourists all over the whole world. It's very important to understand all that and to work this way. And I appreciate all the efforts. Dr. Anani, President Sisi, all those responsibles are doing their best in a very difficult situation. The whole world is suffering now, the whole tourism all over the whole world, the aviation all over the whole world, but still we are not despairing. We're continuing, we are doing all our efforts and we are trying to do more and more. And it's very important to understand that what we are doing is not in vain. In spite of the current situation, in spite of the appearing problems all over the whole world, but we have to understand at the same time that we are trying to do our best, and we have to do that because all this is an accumulation of information in the hands, in the heads and the mentality of the whole world. We are forming a new aspect. We are forming a new image to Egypt after the procession of the royal mummies in particular. Egypt is now so important all over the whole world, and they are now remembering the royal mummies, and they will remember the Grand Egyptian Museum when it's open. This is very important, and I appreciate all the efforts that are done in that way, in that trend nowadays.
Yes, Mr. Samir, so the Board of Trustees consists of Egyptians and foreigners also. So what are the criteria by which they choose the members of the board?
For sure, the president is very wise. He's choosing the elements that are very useful to the Egyptian work, that field. And it's important to know that the people chosen are very well known all over the whole world. And it's very important to trust them and to give them the opportunity, but not to judge them rapidly, because we said before that we have to understand the situation in which we are now. The results are not going to be immediate. For sure, we have to wait, but the fruits are coming, and once the coronavirus disappears all over the whole world, if that happens, it will start very rapidly, the Egyptian tourism. All our problem now is the coronavirus and fears all over the whole world, but once this is done, we are going to go ahead in our trend and our way. We are going to continue in our trials, and we are going to be compensated once it's available, the tourism is available again in the world.
Yes, Mr. Samir, to what stage have the establishment of the museum reached till now? Are we going to witness the opening ceremony soon in 2021?
I cannot decide that. I'm not the president to decide that. The president is going to set the date.
Yes,
the president is going to set the exact date, and according to his vision and according to the worldwide vision, I think that it will be a very wise decision, because I think that we are waiting a little bit till we see the current situation in the world, but the time will be very precise and very appropriate as far as I trust. And we are waiting, but nobody can interfere in such fields.
Yes,
this
of course. Yes, I know this.
A super decision that can be chosen by the Minister of Tourism, Minister of Antiquities, and the President himself, no one else.
Yes, I thank you very much for your time,
Most
for your
welcome.
valuable information. Thank you very much, Mr. Rami Samir, the tourism expert. Thank you very much for joining us over the phone in 9TV International. This is a short break, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm going to be back with you.